Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Liudui Jutian Station was built in 1920, an important transit point for unhusked rice. As Taiwan's highway system began to render railroads obsolete, local residents banded together to save Jutian Station from destruction. When you visit this cultural attraction, don't miss the Heritage Hall of Dr. Ikue Ichiro, a military doctor stationed in Taiwan during the Second World War and well respected by locals.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine. And let's go to different townships around the island with a lot of Hakka culture. So Leo 今天可以带我们去哪一个是有客家的一些文化历史的地方的？
没问题，我们一直都在北部嘛，那我们现在去南部好了。
OK， 好。
我们南部到六堆，六堆大家都去过了。
对，六堆 ，We've talked about 六堆 a lot. That's actually a very, very large area that includes 屏东和高雄都有嘛，对不对？那六堆太大了，我们缩小范围。
好，那六堆有一个很有特色的地方，叫做竹田茶条。
竹田茶条. Oh, nice. Okay. You know, I gotta say, Taiwan Railways has a lot of interesting places that they take you to. And now we're gonna take you to a township that's within the Liudui area, and it's called 叫什么车站？
竹田，竹田。
竹田，哦，竹田，好像有听过。
有听过。
So what is special around 这个竹田车站？
它是在1920年时候的就新建的，
OK，
所以它是有一段历史的过程，然后它是有完全木造的一个建筑，所以呢，在附近呢，其实还是保留的一些很传统的，有点像日本风味的一个建筑。
Because this station was built all the way back in 1920, that's almost a century ago. They have kept a lot of its original architecture there, especially a lot of wooden buildings. And there's a bit of a Japanese culture to it because that was during the Japanese occupation era. 所以大家呢可以在那边可以享受那种就是很好的那种轻松，然后又有文化，然后呢又有各种文化交集在一起的一个
是的
一个地方。
然后这个时候呢，就要来一杯咖啡了，
来一个擂茶嘛。
擂茶，哎，也对，也对。
那顺便问 Leo 一下，铁路怎么说呢？ How do you say railway in Hakka？
铁路。
Okay, that's how you say railway. Because again, I want you to enjoy different areas that Taiwan Railways can take you, not just this one called 竹田车站。我们怎么说？
竹田茶条。
竹田茶条. Okay, that this is all in 六堆, and you have to take the railroad or 铁路, and there you go. That does for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.